In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location in YouTube Studio. This is a really useful setting if you've moved to a new country, you're traveling long term, or you simply want your channel details to better match where you're currently based. Your location can affect things like recommended content, analytics context, and sometimes features that are available to you, so it's worth making sure it's set correctly. First, go ahead and log into your YouTube Studio account in your web browser. You can do this from a computer for the smoothest experience. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your YouTube Studio dashboard, where you normally see your channel analytics and recent video performance. Now, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is the main navigation panel. Slowly scroll down that panel until you see the option labeled Settings. It usually appears near the bottom of that menu. Click on Settings, and a settings pop-up window will appear in the middle of your screen. Inside this pop-up window, you'll see another smaller menu on the left. From this menu, click on Channel. This is where you can adjust key information about your YouTube channel. Once you're in the channel section, make sure you're on the Basic Info tab. If it's not already selected, simply click on Basic Info at the top of the channel settings area. This tab controls general details about your channel, including your country of residence. In the Basic Info tab, look for the field labeled Country of Residence. To the right of that label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a long list of countries appear. Take a moment to scroll through and find the new location you want to set for your channel. Click on the country that best matches where you are or where you want your channel to be registered. After selecting your new country of residence, don't forget to save your changes. Look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up window and click the Save button. This step is important because if you close the window without saving, your location will stay the same as before. Once you've clicked Save, your new location is applied to your channel. There's nothing else you need to do. You've successfully changed your location in YouTube Studio.